If you guys just came from Chad's channel, you know that our Tesla was stolen and now we're trapped in this abandoned town. And while we're at this abandoned town, we actually found a clue that told us to go into one of these tunnels. But hopefully this will lead us to an exit out of this abandoned town since we are trapped here.
Which one should we go in first, V?
You guys should let us know if we should go on tunnel number 1 or tunnel number 2. Comment down below right now where we should go.
While you ninjas are commenting down below, I brought my ninja weapons with us here, so just in case we run into any crazy people, we're gonna be protected. I got one here for me and one for V.
Just my size. All right, I'm reading the comments down below right now, and it feels like you guys are telling us to go to tunnel number 2. So let's go down.
I gotta duck down pretty low. Do you have to duck down, V?
Not really.
Oh my gosh.
I can just walk straight.
This is really spooky.
Gosh, all this dust.
I hope there's no pond monsters that live down here.
It's not that wide. It's so small.
Hello! Hello! Hello!
Marco!
Hello!
There's light in the end of the tunnel. All right, guys, we're at the end of the tunnel, and there's a bunch of rocks, so we're just gonna head towards here. Oh, looks like there's a note right here.
Whoa, that's weird. A note at the end of a tunnel?
Yeah. Oh gosh, I don't want to touch it. I'm just gonna use my ninja weapon. What?
Oh, there's a mousetrap behind it.
Oh my gosh.
That's so weird. Was someone trying to not let you get this note?
I'm so glad I used my weapon.
Yeah.
If I used my hand? Oh
What
man.
What does it say?
Wrong tunnel.
If you mess up again, you'll never get the Tesla back.
What? This person took our Tesla on purpose?
And so now they're having us go on this wild goose chase looking for clues.
Gosh, this person really likes games.
Yeah,
They're always
they do.
messing around with us.
This is really annoying. I just want to get the Tesla back and get out of here.
I guess they really meant the other tunnel.
Yeah.
So we'll just go back and then go on the other tunnel then.
And we better be really careful because he says if we screw up again, we don't get the Tesla back.
We need your help, you guys. So any clue, think about it very carefully before leaving a comment, okay?
Yeah. Back to the tunnel.
Right, we're back at the tunnels again. We're gonna go on this side this time. This one is actually shorter because I can't stand up
You
straight.
can't.
Yeah.
Now you know what it's like to be me.
This one's less dusty too. There's less cobwebs.
This definitely is the right tunnel because it's been more traveled. You can tell it's a little cleaner.
I wonder if this person has played this game with other people too.
I have heard he's been hacking other YouTubers, so maybe other YouTubers have gone down here. Oh.
The end of this tunnel is a little different. It's not rocky like the other one. Jeez.
Whoa, careful.
Okay, I think we need to use our ninja weapons here and like cut all these branches down.
There we go. There's a pretty good path now.
Okay. Ah!
Oh, I found another note, V.
Oh no.
Hopefully it tells us the location of our Tesla. We can get out of here. Oh man, there's another mouse trap. Oh man, I'm gonna use my fingers. Gotta be really careful to not set this mouse trap off because that would really hurt. Oh, all right.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see what this says. I've hidden 9 mouse traps with 12 clues. Do not set off any mouse traps to get your Tesla back. And all these little scribbly things.
I recognize some of these symbols. They were in the vault video.
Yeah, they were underneath the mouse traps.
Yeah.
Oh man, it's the same person playing with us. That's really good because we didn't set off this mouse trap. So our Tesla's safe for now.
As long as we don't set off any mouse traps, we get our Tesla back.
Yeah.
Time to explore this abandoned town some more.
All right.
I just want to get out of here.
I know, it's so hot. I'm so thirsty.
Well, one place we haven't looked yet is this schoolhouse looking thing right here. Oh,
You guys!
We guessed right. 3 mouse traps down here, and it looks like pieces of paper on all 3 of them.
I'll just use my ninja spy skills to take them off.
You can do it. Come on, V, don't set off that trap.
Oh.
1 down, 2 to go. Careful! Okay, my turn. There's a bird crowing at me. It's trying to jinx me. Ooh!
This reminds me of playing like Operation when I was little.
Yeah.
Let me know in the comment below if you guys have played Operation before.
You know what these look like? These look like puzzle pieces.
Puzzle pieces.
Look on the other side. There's like a picture or something.
Oh my gosh. Do they fit together?
Let's see. Yeah, that goes
Oh my
in
gosh,
there.
this one.
Nice. That goes in there. This one, I don't think goes anywhere yet. Yeah, we need to find
Yeah.
more pieces.
All right, let's explore some more. Hey, what is that thing?
What? Oh, that? Oh,
Oh, it's a mailbox. I wonder if there's a clue.
Careful, there might be a mouse trap in there or something.
Here.
Yeah.
All right, just in case. I'm not gonna touch it.
What is that?
Ew, it's poop! It's dog poop!
Oh, it's poop! Who would put poop in a mailbox?
Oh, you guys. I feel like we've looked through this whole entire abandoned town.
But maybe he put some things while we were not around?
Maybe. I mean, we didn't find any clues while we're over here in this little junkyard area.
We didn't yet check out these huge tree stumps yet, so maybe we should check those out. If there's any dog poop, I'm gonna chop it up.
Ew.
Oh.
Wait, there's a heart.
Whoa.
What is this? Is this a clue?
Maybe it means the hacker loves us. Maybe the hacker just took it and he's getting the car cleaned for us?
Highly doubt it. Is there something in this tree stump, maybe?
It's a really huge tree stump. There's a big hole right in the middle of it.
Chad, I actually can't see the bottom of this thing, so you probably have to look inside the stump for me.
You need a tall person to look in the stump, huh?
Yeah. Is there
Okay.
anything?
Oh, yeah, I see something. I see a big green plant in there, but then I also see a mouse trap down there. You guys see that? Guys, give this video a like to wish me good luck so I don't chop my finger off while reaching into this hole. I'm gonna need good luck. All right, here we go.
Be careful, Chad. I can't see anything, but be careful.
Hope my finger doesn't get chopped. Oh, it's really a tough reach. Oh.
Oh, did you get it?
Got it. Woo! Oh, oh.
Oh, gosh.
That's 4 puzzle pieces.
Okay, so we need what, like 8 more?
12 minus 4 is 8. Yes!
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
So we're back here at this big house. I got that weird feeling here last time. Maybe there was someone here and they were playing tricks on us. Okay, this time we're actually gonna try and see if we could get in the house.
No, this is like nailed down or something.
Let me see. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's pretty tight. Oh.
Yeah. Oh, I thought you had
Oh my
it.
gosh, I thought I had it too.
That'd be like
My heart
heavy.
skipped a beat. Gosh, I just got that weird feeling around here again.
Right here is where we saw a figure go by these windows.
Here, in the back of my neck, start standing up again.
And
Oh gosh, that chair.
last time we were here, this chair was moving. Luckily, it's not moving this time. And this door closed on me, almost hit me in the face.
All right, guys, we're back here again. We didn't unlock any of the doors this time, but we're gonna try and unlock them. How about that one, Chad?
It still has a padlock on it.
This one doesn't have a lock still.
Huh. I'm gonna try a combination for this one right here. I'm gonna try this. What? What happened?
Chad,
What?
I felt someone touch me. Did you do it?
No, I was by the door the whole time.
No, I felt something. I felt something or someone
Are you sure
touch my hair.
Maybe it was a bug crawling on you or something?
Did something fall on me? Anything on the ceiling? Are you playing a trick on me, Chad?
No, I was over there trying to padlock.
I mean, I didn't see you over there. Are you sure?
I was over there the whole time.
Okay, you guys, I definitely felt something. You guys need to comment down below. Let me know if you actually saw Chad and if you saw someone here also. Comment down below right now.
Guys, let her know that it wasn't me.
I'm not walking by that chair.
You think it was the chair?
I don't know, we keep seeing these random empty chairs and it's creeping me out.
Just to be safe. There's nothing here. But I guess if it was a ghost, it'd probably go through the ghost anyway, so.
What's in that fridge? Anything?
In there. Oh, come look at this. Check it out, there's more mouse traps and more puzzle pieces in here.
It's way back there, Chad.
It's gonna be hard to reach because they're flipped around in reverse.
It's this water bottle again. It's like freshly drank. Is Jay setting this up? Oh, what is this?
Chopsticks.
Oh, I know how to use this. Oh, I can use these to grab the puzzle pieces.
Then you won't hurt your fingers.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, you can do it, B. You can do it.
I'm not eating. I don't know. I always just do this whenever I see chopsticks.
You can do this. Be careful.
Oh my gosh.
Be careful. Oh. Because if you set off another mouse trap, we don't get the Tesla. That's why you have to be very careful. If one goes off, the note said that we don't get it. Oh. Oh, careful. Now.
I was like not even breathing. Okay.
I'm gonna close this very carefully so I don't set the mouse traps off.
All right, 3 more puzzles.
3 more puzzle pieces. So that
Okay.
means we've got 4 plus 3. We've got 7 so far.
Yeah, and we need 12.
All right.
Oh, just a few more and then we're done, you guys. Hang in there with us.
You know, we never did look at any of these sheds right around here.
Oh yeah, let's check out this one.
Yeah. And this one's got a padlock on it with another
Okay.
combination.
Okay, I'm gonna try that 1873 or 76.
1876, yeah. When we first got here, guys, in the last video, we saw that this town was built in 1876. 1876.
No.
Okay, let's try this other shed right over here.
Oh, this padlock has letters instead of numbers.
Whoa.
4-letter word.
What could we spell with 4 letters? Maybe it's a 4-letter word that starts with J?
Oh my gosh, you guys should leave a comment down below what you think the password should be. You think it's Jake?
Could be Josh, Jack.
Matt? From Matthias?
He's got a beard. While you guys are leaving a comment below, let's investigate. There's another way inside this little shed here. Oh, whoa, this window's open.
What's in here?
There's mouse traps down in here. There's no way that I'm gonna fit in this little hole. V, I think I'm gonna have to hoist you up.
That's my ninja skills.
Yeah, being small comes in handy. All right, you wanna step on my knee first? All right. Ready?
1, 2,
3. Okay.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
High drop.
Careful. Watch out for the glass.
Okay, I'm in, you guys.
What do you see in there, V?
I see 3 mouse traps here. So I'm gonna be really careful and just remove them. So there's really dangerous glass here.
Yeah, if you set the mouse trap off and the glass goes flying, ooh.
I'm gonna do it.
Careful. Go for that one first. Careful, careful.
I got it.
Oh, oh man.
I got a little too excited there. Okay.
Oh, you're gonna use that one to get it off? No, you set one off. Now what? Do we not get the Tesla now?
Crap.
Maybe he won't find out we set it off. Maybe if we get all the puzzle pieces quick enough,
Oh
he
my
won't
gosh.
know you set it off.
Oh my gosh. I was just trying to flick it off, you guys. Okay.
All right, don't set the other one off.
Okay.
Don't set it off.
Okay, now what? What do I do with this?
Pull it out. Wow, good thing it was a puzzle piece and not your finger.
Oh my gosh. I
Yeah.
hope he doesn't find out.
Yeah, we need to find the other ones quickly
crap.
before he finds out.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna get out of here.
All right. You got this.
Let's hurry up and trying to find the other ones
Yeah.
so the hacker does not find
Yeah, we gotta hurry.
out. We are back to the beginning. We've explored everything, found so many mouse traps, but I feel like we need 2 more.
You know, we actually never did go in this pen. I think this is like a horse pen right here.
Oh, it's open.
And it opens. Maybe this is where the final clues will be.
This is a very low shed. Like I can touch the ceiling. Also, maybe like really small animals live here.
Let's see how low it is. Oh, just kidding. That was my hand.
See, that's why I think you're the one that touched my hair earlier.
It wasn't me, guys. Comment, let her know it was not me. I did not touch her
He's
hair.
always playing tricks like that. Anyways, let's just look for the mouse traps because I want to get out of here. I want my Tesla back. Let me know if you guys see anything. Anything on the ground?
No, I'm not seeing anything on the ground. Try not to hit my head up here. Speaking of not hitting my head, look what I just found. A mouse trap way up here. It's on there very loosely. Don't set it off, Jay. Go. Shabam. We need one more.
Oh gosh.
It's gotta be in here.
Whoa, what's this place right here?
Wow, look how creepy that looks. Look at all these holes. Are these bullet holes?
Oh no.
If we go in here, are bullets gonna shoot out?
Were people trying to escape?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa. Oh geez. It's really unstable around here. I'm just gonna get off.
You're doing balance beam over here? This is the biggest mouse trap I have ever seen in my life. Look how huge this is. There's a bunch of small ones set all around it. That's gotta be the final puzzle piece.
I think this is the 12th one.
I don't think I want to get that with my fingers. I'm pretty sure that huge rat trap is gonna break a finger if that thing goes up.
Yeah, I'm gonna use my chopsticks.
I've got a light here for you.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna try not to set this one off.
Yeah, don't set up this one.
Oh my gosh, it's huge. It's gonna hurt.
Careful.
Oh
Oh.
my god. Oh my god!
There you go. Grab it from there.
I think I'm.
Grab it.
Okay.
Don't set off the other
Oh
one.
my gosh! Oh my gosh, why?
It's way over there now.
Come on. Come on.
I thought you liked to eat Asian food.
Oh my gosh. Why? I'm just so nervous.
There.
Okay.
That's
Alright.
our 12th puzzle piece.
My Asian card is still intact.
Let's put these pieces together, huh?
All right, yeah, let's go somewhere. There's a lot of light. Let's put this puzzle together.
Yeah, do it right here where it's flat.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see.
All right. Okay, what's this puzzle gonna tell us, you think, V?
I feel like it's a picture of somewhere around here.
Yeah.
Looks familiar.
Oh, one last piece of the puzzle. Here it is.
Oh my gosh, what is it?
Where is this? What is this? I see hay. I see, it's like
it's
a
like
metal shed.
Trees.
Wait a second.
This looks like, I feel like I've seen this.
Yeah, when we first were driving here, we drove by this on the way in.
Yeah. Wait, is that where a Tesla is?
It was big enough to fit a car in it.
Let's hurry because
Yeah, because you set off
I
that
know.
mousetrap.
I want to get my Tesla back.
Here it is, here it is,
What
here it
is-
is. This is definitely the same place that was in the puzzle. Do you think it's big enough to fit a Tesla in it?
Definitely. I think our Tesla's behind there. Can you see?
No, nothing in here. That door doesn't open. Let's check this other door.
Okay. What?
What? This
This is not my Tesla.
Our Tesla's not red and it's not that small.
Why is it small? Oh no.
Uh-oh. Is it because one of the mousetraps got set off? He decided not to give us our Tesla. He gave us a mini Tesla.
I want my Tesla, Chad. I just got it.
Man,
Well, what does this mean?
I don't know. Let's bring it outside. All right. So what exactly are we supposed to do with this?
I mean, I'm small, but I can't drive with this.
Does it drive? Could it take us home? There's a gas pedal in here.
There is. Oh my gosh, it actually moves. Oh my
Look at that,
gosh.
it drives.
Oh my gosh, I can actually fit in here.
Whoa, you fit in there. I didn't think you would. Well, at least you can drive home, V. I guess I'll just have to run home. Yeah, let's check it out. Maybe there's a clue in here or something.
There's one of these auxiliary thing.
Oh, you can plug in your phone maybe. Oh, there's a
anything in the
trunk.
trunk?
There's a trunk back here. Let's see what's in this trunk here.
Does it open?
Whoa, a battery. Wait. Oh no.
Oh my god.
Not another
I
note.
can't.
Oh,
no.
Guys, you won't believe what this note says.
I'm gonna need your help on this next challenge, so make sure to check my highlight on Instagram.
Just make sure you are subscribed to V and subscribe to me because we are gonna make another video based on this note.
Yeah, if you haven't seen this video yet, click right here.
Shout out to everyone who has notifications turned on.
Make sure to follow me on Instagram at VQuaint. We really need you guys' help because maybe in the next video we're gonna find a Tesla and we definitely need a lot more eyes and
Yeah.
thinkers.
To catch all these clues, we need your help.
Definitely, so I'll see you in my next video.